Improved motor life. Now with a longer motor life. Better motor, faster blowouts that you can flaunt all day and night. Style and dry in one step. Style, dry and volumize your hair in one step. Max drying power with 30% less frizz, and helps reduce hair. Dimagionic plus ceramic technology. Unique non-detachable oval brush design for smoothing the hair, while the round edges create Volumizer oval design. Designed with nylon pin and tufted bristles for detangling, improved volume, and control. Styling flexibility. 3 heat speed settings with cool option for styling flexibility to tailor to your hair needs. Safety plug.